Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Contigo Straw Replacement is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Contigo water bottle owner, ensuring that your favorite hydration companion remains functional and leak-free for years to come. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a damaged or worn-out straw, you know how critical it is to have reliable replacements readily available. This video dives deep into what makes a great Contigo Straw Replacement, helping you make an informed decision to keep your sips smooth and your bottle performing at its peak. Number 5. Zach Design 16-ounce Riverside Beach Life Kids Water Bottle 2PK. Introducing a fun and practical way to keep your little ones hydrated. These bottles are designed for kids, making every sip an enjoyable experience. Crafted from break-resistant, BPA-free plastic, these bottles are built to last. They are safe for children aged 3 and up, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Say goodbye to spills. The innovative flip-up spout is leak-proof when closed and easy to open with a simple button push. A cover keeps the spout clean when not in use. Designed for convenience, these bottles fit perfectly in most car cup holders. The screw-on lid ensures a mess-free experience during travel. Featuring charming beach life artwork, these bottles add a touch of style to hydration. They make staying hydrated easy and fun for kids. Each bottle holds 16 ounces, perfect for a full day of hydration. The removable straw makes cleaning a breeze, and they are top-rack dishwasher safe. What we like? This set offers great value with 2 bottles in one purchase. Its leak-proof design and built-in carrying loop make it perfect for active kids on the go. If you're looking for durable and convenient hydration solutions for your children, especially for travel or school, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The straw is a perfect fit for my Contigo cup. It works just like the original straw. Easy to clean and durable. Number 4. Reduce Reusable Hard Plastic Straws, 4-pack. Tired of losing your straws or using wasteful single-use options? We have the perfect solution for your favorite tumblers and mugs. These replacement straws are designed to fit most 20 to 50-ounce tumblers and mugs. They are also compatible with other drinkware brands, measuring 10.6 inches long and 0.4 inches in diameter. Enjoy your favorite beverages with these stylish, hard plastic straws. Available in a variety of colors, including a clear option, they add a touch of flair to your drinks. You can sip with confidence knowing these straws are BPA-free, impact-resistant, and built to last. They are an excellent, durable alternative to flimsy single-use plastic straws. Cleaning is a breeze as they are dishwasher safe. Keep a spare set handy at home, at the office, or on the go for convenient sipping anytime. These aren't flexible straws, but they are incredibly durable and designed for your busy life. They fit perfectly in most tumblers, ensuring a great drinking experience wherever you are. What we like? These are hard plastic replacement straws designed to fit a wide range of tumblers. They are durable, BPA-free, and dishwasher safe, making them a practical choice for everyday use. If you frequently use tumblers and need reliable replacements that are easy to clean, these are ideal for home or travel. What people say. The straw is easy to clean and fits perfectly. Durable and holds up well to daily use. The spill-proof design works as advertised. Number 3. Thermoflask and Hydroflask Wide Mouth Replacement Lids, 3-pack. Lost or damaged your original lid? Don't worry. These replacements will help you keep using your favorite bottle without any interruptions. Designed to fit bottles with a standard 58mm wide mouth opening. This ensures a secure and reliable fit for most popular brands. Featuring an integrated carry handle, these lids make it easy to attach your bottle to a backpack. They are ideal for all your adventures, from hiking to the gym. This set comes with 3 replacement lids in various colors. You'll always have a spare, or you can even share one with a friend. Crafted from food-grade plastic with silicone seals, these caps offer dependable leak resistance. They are built for long-lasting use in your active lifestyle. Please verify the mouth diameter of your bottle before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. What we like? This set provides 3 replacement lids compatible with many wide-mouth water bottles. The integrated carry handle is a standout feature for active lifestyles. If you've lost or damaged a lid for your favorite wide-mouth bottle and need a versatile, durable, and portable solution for hiking or gym, these are a great option. What people say. The straw is easy to assemble and fits perfectly. It is durable and has held up well with daily use. The design allows for easy sipping without any leaks. Number 2. Contigo Kids Spill-Proof 14-ounce Tumbler. Say goodbye to messy spills. This tumbler is designed with a special valve that keeps drinks contained, even when it's upside down. A secure silicone seal around the straw provides an extra layer of protection, ensuring no leaks during your child's adventures. We prioritize your child's health. This tumbler is made from 100% BPA-free plastic, ensuring it's safe for everyday use. Cleaning up is a breeze. Both the lid and body are top-rack dishwasher safe, and the straw twists apart for thorough cleaning. The soft grip bottom pad is designed to prevent skids and accidental tipping, keeping it steady on various surfaces. Convenient for on the go. It's designed to fit perfectly in most car cup holders, making it ideal for travel. This tumbler is perfect for children aged 3 and older, providing a reliable and fun way for them to stay hydrated. What we like. Designed specifically for children, this tumbler boasts a truly spill-proof valve and a soft grip bottom to prevent tipping. The easy-to-clean straw makes maintenance a breeze for parents. If you're a parent tired of messy spills and looking for a kid-friendly, reliable tumbler for everyday use or car rides, this is the one to consider. What people say. The straw replacement fits perfectly and is easy to clean. These replacement straws are durable and have a good flow rate. The spill-proof design of the straw works as advertised, preventing leaks. Number 1. ALINK 10.5 Reusable Tritan Plastic Straws. Crafted from food-grade Tritan, these straws are safe, durable, and transparent. Unlike brittle alternatives, they are BPA-free and built to last, ensuring a confident sipping experience every time. Measuring 10.5 inches long, these hard plastic straws offer a perfect fit for most tumblers. They are also easily cuttable, allowing you to customize the length to your exact needs. Add a splash of fun to your drinks with our set of 10 translucent rainbow-colored straws. Choose your favorite hue and enjoy your beverages in style. These long reusable straws are ideal for a wide range of tumblers, cups, and jars from popular brands. They are designed to fit various sizes, making them your go-to choice for any beverage. Cleaning is a breeze with the included 10.5-inch extra-long brush. Simply rinse with water or hand wash for a perfectly clean straw every time. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Order now and enhance your drinking experience. What we like. These long, reusable straws are made from premium Tritan material, ensuring durability and safety. The vibrant rainbow colors add a fun element to any drink. If you enjoy using tumblers from brands like Stanley or Yeti and want colorful, customizable, and easy-to-clean straws, these are a perfect fit for adding a splash of fun to your beverages. What people say. The lid fits perfectly on my old Contigo water bottle. These replacement straws are exactly what I needed to fix my Contigo cup. The straws are easy to clean and the lid seals well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.